What's going on, guys and gals? Fitzy with Fitchiakin here. Just got a squirrel. Just kind of walking along, stumbled upon him, got a nice shot on him. As I was going to recover him, I had a squirrel coming at me, and I was trying to reposition cameras, turn another camera on, spooked him. So I decided to sit down here, wait him out, and while I was waiting him out, another one came from behind me to my right here, went right by me, and again, trying to turn cameras on, I spooked him. But we're going to stay put here for just a little bit longer, see if we can't get him to come back out, get a shot on him. I'm hunting again today with the FX Impact Compact 22 cal, so stick around, we'll see what happens.
Those close ones are always hard. shot was good. Second one. Squirrel number 3. Come on, dude, just stop. Nice. 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 Okay, let's go get him. There he is. There he is. Another chest shot.
Okay, with this last squirrel, I'm going to call it. I went out this morning, shot one squirrel, had opportunities on 2 other squirrels, but I messed them up as I was trying to turn cameras on. Lost my opportunity to take a shot. Took a little lunch break and came back out this afternoon. Just before I shot the second squirrel, I'd shot at another squirrel. I'm pretty sure I hit him. It sounded like I hit him. It looked like I hit him. I tracked him for a little bit in my scope. It looked like he stopped moving. I took my eyes off the scope and I had a squirrel about my 11 o'clock, about 10 feet away. Took a shot at him, missed him. When you're shooting that close, you've got to compensate for the difference between the scope and the bore. Mine's about 2 inches. So I don't think I held high enough. Took a second shot, held over a little higher and dropped him. On the third squirrel, he came off to my right. I had a shift to my right, which was kind of an awkward position for me. Took the shot. I think I hit him in the hip, and then I finished him off with a headshot. And then on this guy, I was walking back to my car, and I saw him bouncing around up in the hickory tree. Watched him for a little bit, and then finally got an opportunity to take a shot on him. But just a great day in the woods. It was a gorgeous day today. It was comfortable temperatures. I think today or yesterday was the first day of fall, so there'll be many more to come, many more squirrel hunts.
But as always, take care. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.